Hi, I'm Steve Ricks. I'm an executive director with Health Nation, and I'm part of a team that's been assembled to help solve one of America's biggest problems, our healthcare crisis. Today, I want to talk to the heart and soul of America, really the lifeblood of our economy, the small business owner. So if you're a small business owner, or you know someone who is, the information I'd like to share with you can literally change your life and the lives of those who help keep your small business afloat, your employees. We all understand that rising healthcare costs make it prohibitive for small business owners to provide benefits that provide value for the workers and still make sense for your wallet. Well, I've got great news. Health Nation is here to change all of that. And I want to invite you to a brief 10-minute informational webinar that will show you how. After this video, you'll see a slide with the details for our live webinars that I hope you'll tune into soon. Listen, having been a small business owner, I know your pain. I understand the challenges that you face. And I want to assure you that if you'll just take the few minutes to see what other business owners are already ranting and raving about, that's how Health Nation can help you and your employees have access to a better life.
Great.
Think so? Shall we look at it?
Awesome. Yeah,